Alright, man, Pulse TV back with another one, man. Finna get ready to show y'all what I done to the truck. And I also got some bad news too about the truck, man, but I'm gonna show y'all that too. Anyway, man, y'all just stay tuned. Alright, man, here we go. Put a brand new Holley carburetor on the thing. I've been tuning on it, man. It been giving me a hard time, man. I guess whoever had it before me, I guess they might have messed with it a little bit. But this Holley way more responsive than that Edelbrock. So we added a little power to the truck when we put that on. Put that right there on. And I also went ahead and put a new distributor in here. Ordered the distributor. And I just went ahead and dropped it in here, man. So got a new carburetor and a new distributor in here now. So still got to put a timer light on it because I don't know how bad it's out of tune, how bad it's out of timing. But that's what we did to the truck, and that's pretty much it. But got some bad news. Here go the bad news. We got some had a little fender bender, man. Had a little fender bender in the truck. That's why the fan shroud and stuff out. That's why it's out. But that ain't the bad part. The bad part out here. Here we go. Yes, sir, man. I took my baby out. Got my baby out here looking sick. Hit a deer. Coming home one night, man, the deer ran right out in front of my baby, man. Pushed my whole radiator support in right there, man. Came home, man. I immediately went to taking stuff off because hey, we gotta fix it. So we got some new lights coming in, new headlights coming in, and I was gonna attempt to fix this radiator support, man, but they cost about $250. So I was like, man, for all that pulling and stuff I'm gonna have to do trying to get that thing back straight, I was like, man, it's just easy to just spend that little money. Now if it was $500-600, I may be like, okay, let's fix this thing. But for $200 something, all I gotta do is bolt it in, a few bolts on it. It was just so much easier to just buy one. So we got that on the way. We got new headlights on the way. We got the new turn signal things on the way. We got a new fender on the way, cause messed the fender up pretty bad though. So got a new trim. Got a new piece of trim on the way. This top piece didn't actually get messed up bad, but I know I'm gonna have to replace it because once I actually start restoring the truck, I'm gonna have to replace it because it's kind of dented right in there. So anyway, man, we finna get some new headlights because I couldn't hardly see with them anyway. So I guess it's good and it's bad. AC condenser. I don't even know if I'm gonna put that thing back in there, man. I don't even think it works. Well, obviously it don't. The AC system ain't hooked up. That been cut. I mean, this line down here ain't hooked up to nothing, so I may not even put the AC condenser back in. I may just throw the radiator back in, and then once I actually swap motors and go to actually restoring the truck, then we'll go ahead and put a new condenser in it at that point. So, yeah, man, but that's what happened, man. It sucks. I'm upset about it, but hey, ain't nothing I can do about it but fix it. I do have coverage on this truck for that type of stuff, but I was like, it wasn't even worth it. So like I said, man, we got everything on the way. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Happened a couple days ago, but I'm just not coming out here to look at the damages and take some stuff off and look at it. But yeah, that's what we got going on, man. So I guess whenever my parts come in, we're gonna get to work. We're gonna finish tuning on that old Holly carburetor. Matter of fact, man, the truck sound like 5-10 times better since I changed the carburetor, put the new distributor on it. And man, it sounds so much better with those Jones mufflers on it. So get y'all to start up. And if you haven't seen the video of me changing out my mufflers, man, go check it out. Matter of fact, I'm gonna actually drop the card in here in the description. I'm gonna drop the card down there for the video. But we're gonna do a startup, man. I'm gonna let y'all hear how it sounds, man. It sounds 10 times better, man. But here we go. Still ain't got the carburetor tuned right. That's that little popping, man. Still messing with the air fuel ratio screws on it, man. Still messing with them screws, man. Give y'all a few revs on this thing, let y'all hear it. Yeah, man, it's live now, man. So anyway, man, we got some more tuning to do on that carburetor, as y'all can hear from that little popping. And you also got some work to do with this front end. But try to bring it back this time better. It's pretty much gonna look the same way. Order the same grill. Just ordered some LED headlights for it this time. But that's where we at, man. I'm on a cell phone this time, man. So quality might not be as good as it is on the camera. But this is what we got. By the time I bring it out too, man, we're gonna have this last tie straightened out right here. We also got some suspension work we gotta do, man. So hey, it ain't stopping. You know what I'm saying? Just because something happened. It ain't stopping. The grind ain't stopping, man. We finna keep these videos coming. Y'all keep liking and subscribing, man. I'm growing. You know what I'm saying? Once I get monetized, man, I'll be able to bring y'all some more content. You know what I'm saying? Be able to bring y'all some more exciting content. Maybe I can start swapping out some motors and stuff. You know, little stuff like that. And pretty much what we got, man. So y'all like the video, subscribe it, share it. You know, all that, man. Just a little quick little update on the truck, man. I just, it sucks, but it happens. So, a little update on the truck. And by the time next video, man, we're gonna be checking in. We're gonna be getting everything back up to par, man. So, y'all stay tuned.